Because Malaysia is hot, very good. Guys, Malaysian guy is very warm, kind, respectful. And then Malaysia guy 有 boundary 的 this is very important. 匈牙利的人，你说你有男朋友，他们会来 so what?
Oh, Malaysian people are some of the most friendly, nice, hospitable people I've ever met in my life. We're staying at the Nippon Guest House, and let me just show you what I woke up to this morning.
Ada satu persoalan yang sering muncul bila pelancong berkongsi pengalaman mereka. Soalan yang ringkas, tapi jawabannya tidak pernah mudah. Kenapa sesiapa yang pernah ke Malaysia pasti mahu kembali? Mereka sudah melancong ke banyak negara. Ada yang lebih maju, ada yang lebih mewah, ada yang lebih terkenal. Namun entah kenapa, Malaysia tetap berada dalam senarai tempat yang mereka mahu kunjungi semula. Bukan kerana hotel paling mahal, bukan kerana bangunan paling tinggi, tetapi kerana perasaan yang sukar dijelaskan. Perasaan diterima walaupun asing. Perasaan selesa walaupun jauh dari rumah. Di Malaysia, pelancong tidak rasa seperti orang luar terlalu lama. Ada sesuatu tentang cara hidup, cara orang bercakap dan cara kita melayan sesama manusia yang membuatkan mereka rasa tenang. Ramai pelancong datang dengan niat bercuti, tetapi mereka pulang dengan rasa rindu. Rindu kepada suasana, rindu kepada senyuman orang tempatan. Rindu kepada perkara kecil yang mereka alami tanpa dirancang. Itulah yang membuatkan Malaysia bukan sekadar destinasi, tetapi pengalaman.
Malaysian people are some of the most friendly, nice, hospitable people I've ever met in my life. We're staying at the Nippon Guest House, and let me just show you what I woke up to this morning. So I woke up and left my room to find watermelon and mangosteen left by the host of our guest house, and look how cute the grounds are here. The people in Malaysia definitely care about hospitality and want to make sure that everybody that comes here has the best possible experience. So I just wanted to say a big thank you to the Malaysian people for showing me what real hospitality actually is.
People from Malaysia, are you the friendliest people in the world? Because I'm on a morning walk by myself and I must have passed about 30 people, maybe more, doing the same thing, having a coffee, having a stroll, having a jog, and not one person hasn't said hello. Not one person hasn't smiled, hasn't said good morning. Like, how lovely is that? In England, you just don't get that on a walk. Like, people try to avoid other people, whereas here, just so friendly. I love it. It's lush.
Weather. Because Malaysia is hot, very good. Guys, Malaysian guy is very warm, kind, respectful. And then Malaysia guy 有 boundary 的 this is very important. 匈牙利的人，你说你有男朋友，他们会来 so what?
Oh, so what? You're not yet married.
Something like that. 但是匈牙利的人也是好的，但是我喜欢的是马来西亚的男生。And then number 3, food. Because here a lot of variety. Today want to eat Indian food. Tomorrow, Chinese food. Next day, Malay food.
I know I said I'm gonna gatekeep Malaysia, but my friends are visiting from Sweden and this is the first place I'm bringing them to.
And of course they loved the nasi lemak, but what they really loved was how hospitable everybody was, how friendly, how nicely people greeted them. They felt so calm being in Malaysia. And that's something I relate to a lot. I feel like everywhere you go in Malaysia, you are treated with kindness, you are treated with so much friendliness, and people are generally so positive and so sweet. I realized this as we were buying fruit in Chinatown and my friend was counting the change that the man gave her. And I was like, don't worry, they don't scam you here. It made me realize how lucky I am to be in a country where you can trust people, where people have good intentions and a positive attitude. Right now, where they come from, it is minus 20 degrees, it is dark, it is cold, and it is incredibly depressing. They describe Malaysia like a breath of fresh air, like they're gonna go back home and get new energy. And of course, that's because they're on vacation. But I feel that way every single day, even though I've lived here for a few months.
Satu lagi perkara yang sering membuatkan pelancong mahu kembali ke Malaysia ialah rasa selamat dan tenang yang mereka alami tanpa perlu diminta. Di banyak tempat, pelancong sentiasa perlu berjaga-jaga, berwaspada dan sentiasa merasa seperti orang luar. Tetapi di Malaysia, perasaan itu perlahan-lahan hilang. Mereka boleh berjalan di tempat awam tanpa rasa terasing. Mereka boleh bertanya tanpa rasa dipandang rendah. Malah ada yang berkata, mereka rasa lebih diterima di sini berbanding di negara yang lebih terkenal sebagai destinasi pelancongan. Apa yang membuatkan ini berlaku bukanlah sistem yang sempurna, tetapi manusia di dalamnya. Cara orang Malaysia membantu tanpa mengharapkan balasan. Cara kita berbual tanpa memaksa. Cara kita menghormati perbezaan tanpa perlu menjelaskannya. Semua ini mungkin kelihatan kecil bagi kita, tetapi bagi pelancong, inilah perkara yang suka dicari. Sebab itulah, bila mereka pulang, Malaysia tidak hanya tinggal dalam gambar atau video, ia tinggal dalam rasa selesa, rasa diterima, dan rasa ingin kembali ke tempat di mana mereka tidak perlu berpura-pura untuk menjadi diri sendiri.
I like Malaysia. It's been a great experience so far. The people I met here have been absolutely amazing. People treated me so well. And besides that, the people here have great English. They speak English very well. You know, you can understand them. People are very nice, at least the ones that I met. Now, the other reason is the city. Unlike most cities that I've been in, has a lot of greenery, a lot of trees, for me at least. Is not common to see. I spent a few days in Bangkok. It was nice and all, but air quality is pretty low. As opposed to here, like the air is very breathable. You would not expect that when you come here. It's so developed. In fact, I don't think we have anything like that in Europe, like with modern buildings and all that. We might have, but still, this is a great place. So, I'm impressed.
Traveling Southeast Asia has made me realize that the term third world is stupid and outdated. I'm in Malaysia right now. A lot of people call Malaysia a third world country. Look at this. Look at this skyline. It is so pleasant to walk around. What are most US cities in? Like fourth world? Fifth world? This is so much better, and it's only a fraction of the price too.
Here's 5 reasons why we love Malaysia.
And why we keep coming back.
The food. Malaysian cuisine has to be one of the best foods that we've had in the world. They offer a variety of food from Western, Indian, Chinese, Thai, everything. And every place that we've been to has been absolutely epic.
Number 2, affordability. You can get an apartment with a fully equipped kitchen, gym access, swimming pool, and high-speed internet, all for under $25 a night.
The people of Malaysia have been so kind and hospitable. Everywhere we've traveled to, it's the people that made us live the country more and more.
The diversity of things to do here. From modern luxury cities with amazing green space to island life with some amazing beaches and some of the best scuba diving spots in the whole world. Being Muslim, life in a Muslim country is so much easier with halal food all over the place and mosques everywhere.
And you've even got washroom and play facilities in the restaurants. And a bonus one, guys.
There's so much to do here as a family.
Bagi kebanyakan pelancong, apa yang paling mereka ingat bukanlah tempat popular tetapi momen harian. Duduk makan di gerai biasa, berbual dengan orang yang baru dikenali, mendapat bantuan tanpa diminta. Perkara-perkara inilah yang tidak boleh dibeli atau dirancang. Ia berlaku secara semula jadi. Malaysia mempunyai satu kekuatan yang jarang disedari oleh rakyatnya sendiri. Kita tidak memaksa untuk disukai, kita hanya menjadi diri sendiri. Dalam kesederhanaan itulah, pelancong merasa dihargai. Mereka tidak dinilai, tidak dipersoalkan dan tidak dipinggirkan. Mereka dilayan sebagai manusia, bukan sebagai pelawat. Sebab itulah, apabila mereka pulang ke negara masing-masing, yang mereka rindukan bukan sekadar makanan atau tempat. Mereka rindukan perasaan itu, perasaan tenang, perasaan selamat, perasaan seperti berada di rumah walaupun di negara orang. Jadi persoalannya, jika Malaysia boleh membuat orang asing mahu kembali, apa yang membuatkan kita sendiri lupa menghargai apa yang kita ada? Terima kasih kerana menonton.